In this video, we will see how to play YouTube music in the background without downloading any external apps. So make sure you watch this video till the very end. In order to play YouTube music or any other video in the background, open Chrome and search for youtube.com. Now search for the music or video that you want to listen to. In order to avoid a copyright, I will not play a music video. Now click on the video that you want to listen to. Let us wait for the ad to end. Now, click on these three dots and select Desktop Site. After the video starts playing in Desktop Site, drag on top and you will see the video playing over here. Now go back and again drag on top. Click here on the play icon and the video will start playing.
The limit being how long they can survive, which theoretically means they could win unlimited money.
Now even if you close your mobile, the video will keep playing. You can also do the same with any other music video or podcast. If you want to know how to make animated videos easily using AI, then you can check this video right here. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. Thanks for watching.